Good day, sir. Welcome to LV Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's the name of Mr. De Ramos.
Okay, sir. May I know where you booked your reservation, sir?
I booked using Agoda app.
Can I have your valid ID, sir?
Okay, sure.
Wait for a while, sir. So I already verified your reservation, sir. You booked using Agoda booking application. You book a one-suite room with a complimentary breakfast and with a room rate of 7,500 per night. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
So aside from that, sir, you will be check-in today, June 11, 2021. And according to the system, you will be checking out in June 12, 2021. You also guaranteed your reservation using Visa credit card. Are all the details correct, sir?
All details are correct.
Okay, sir. As part of our hotel policy, kindly fill out the registration form with your personal details and the signature at the lower right side of the registration form. Let me just check it. As part of our hotel policy, we should to ask you to pay for an incidental deposit amounting of 1,000 pesos. They will be returned upon your checkout. Okay, sir. I received an exact amount of 1,000 pesos. Kindly wait for your receipt. Okay, sir. Before you check in your room, let me just discuss to our policy. So, our standard check-in time is 12 p.m. in the afternoon, and the standard check-out time is 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Kindly inform us right now if there will be a time reservation because that will be 300 pesos per hour. Aside from that, sir, incidental deposit is collected in case the guest incurred an extra charge during his stay. So for the bedroom and bathroom, linens there corresponding change in case of any damage done by the guest. So for the bed linen, stain costs 500 pesos. And for the duvet, stain costs 1,000 pesos. And for the bathroom towel, stain it costs 300 pesos. Our breakfast is served 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning at the Cafe Grand beside the lobby. So there is also mini bar available in your room that has snack and beverage with corresponding charge. And aside from that, our hotel also provide transportation service with corresponding charge. So kindly dial 1 for concierge. You can also dial 2 from the front office. Dial number 3 to bar and restaurant. Dial number 4 and housekeeping department. So don't hesitate to call us if you have any concern and inquiries. Okay, sir. Here's your room key card. Room 305 located at the third floor of our hotel. And also, here's your breakfast coupon and Wi-Fi coupon. And there our bellboy, namely Ryan, he will be assist you towards your room, sir. So they have any more question?
Nothing.
I hope you enjoy your stay at our hotel, sir, and have a nice day.
Thank you.